Okay, so I'm going to do a last bit for chapter 13 here. And we're going to stay on page 236. And, oh, excuse me, not 236, but 237. And we're going to do now, let's do number 10. Again, we're calculating the infusion and completion time. So we're going to be solving for hours and minutes. And so number 10 tells us we have an IV infusing at 36 drops per minute. And we have 950 milliliters remaining in the bag. And we have a drop factor of 15 drops per milliliter. And the current time is 1740. So, again, solving for hours and minutes, so I need to start with my hours here. And I'm looking at my problem, trying to find my hours, and I see minutes. So, I need to go from hours to minutes. So, in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. If this is minutes, minutes has to come next. So, I find my information here. My 1 minute has 36 drops. If this is drops, drops has to come next. I'm going to cross out what we've used this far. So again, I find my other drop here, so 15 drops per milliliter. I'm going to scratch that one out. This is milliliters, milliliters has to come next. And so we're left with our 950 milliliters over 1. So our minutes cancel out, our drops cancel out, our milliliters cancel out. So we're left with 1 times 1 times 15 times 950. That gives us 14,250 over 60 times 36 times 1 times 1. So 60 times 36, it gives us 2160. So 14,250 divided by 2160 gives us 6.59722222 hours, because that's what we're left with here. So I know I have 6 hours here, and now I need to figure out the minutes that this 0.59722222 hours is in minutes. So I need to solve for minutes. So here I'm going to put minutes, and I have hours, so I need to go from minutes to hours. So I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and then I need to put in my 0.59722222 hours over 1. So let's do that math. 60 times 0.597222, and that gives us 35.83. And again, we're going to round this to the whole number to get our minutes. So since this is 8, I need to go up 1 here, so that's going to be 36 minutes. So 6 hours and 36 minutes is how long it's going to take 950 milliliters to go in at a drop rate of 36 drops per minute with a 15 drops per milliliter tubing set. And then we need to add that 6 hours and 36 minutes to our 1740. So 1740 plus 6 hours and 36 minutes. So here we would do 40 plus 36. Oops, not times. And that gives us 76 minutes. Now, you have to understand that 76 minutes is more than a 1 whole minute can be, so we need to subtract 60 from this and then ultimately add 1 hour over here. So that's going to leave us with 16 minutes, or 16 minutes. And then we need to add our 1, because again we took away 1 hour here. Okay, So 17 and then 1800, and then 1800 plus 6 gives us 2400. So 2400 can be written as that, or you could put it as 0016. Either or.